I just need to quick stop my dog from chewing on an electric blanket.
Nope, you're good.
Robert, no.
Hello everyone and welcome to Fresh Finds, where we're here to help you find products that are perfect for your brand. I'm Jason.
And I'm Kristen. Jason, what do you have for us today?
All right, so I have the Charge It Up Tech Kit. This is a nice little handy little zippered bag with a key ring, split key ring on it. Inside, you'll find all of your charging essentials. First, I like that they included this. It comes with a little cleaning cloth, which I'm a big fan of because I don't know about you, but my phone's always getting dirty. Fingerprints for days.
Oh yeah.
It's just
all the time.
They're magnets.
It's just gross.
It is. It's like you gotta hide your phone. It's like, no, I did not eat pizza today for lunch. Sorry. It comes with this cable here, which is nice because it's so it's a USB Type A on this side, and that will plug into your charging brick right here. Then we have on the other end, we have a USB Type C.
Okay.
A micro USB and an iPhone compatible cord, which is nice.
Kids' games need the USB-C.
Yes.
My sleep headphones, you need the micro USB. For my iPhone, I'm gonna need that lightning cable. Like that would just be so amazing to have it all in one place, and then you could just put that little key ring on your keys, on your bag, on your backpack, and you'd have it all right there. Like that would just really make my life easier.
They come in a ton of different colors. We have white, we have black, we have blue, we have red. They all have black backing, but they have a colored accent. And then we have green, yellow, and orange. I think I got them all. That should be all. And the cables and the charging brick and the cleaning cloth are all color matched, so it's just kind of a nice cohesive thing that's going on. And then, of course, your logo shows up as a one-color imprint on the front colored side here.
Absolutely. That's something that if you're going to give it to your employees or that's something they're going to use, and your name's going to be out there. So I think it's just such a smart gifting idea.
All right, what do you have over there, Kristen?
All right, so today I have the Divided Bento Box with bamboo lid lunch set. This is just an awesome little lunch box that you can take with you to work, school, whatever. You're gonna have all your utensils you need. And then it has this nice little elastic to keep everything together. And then as you saw in the other box, it does come in the two colors, the black and the white. Your utensils will just kind of slip right in there. Lid's gonna pop right off, and you'll have a little divided container, and then the large area as well. So if you were going to do maybe a salad and then to put in, some of the things that you don't want in the greens right away, or maybe you're just gonna make a couple different things for lunch and you don't want your food touching. Perfect way to do that. And you also get the nice bamboo lid, so you can use that as a cutting board, also to kind of a plate even to serve your lunch on. Just a really handy kind of thing, and it looks really nice.
I'm like somebody who likes having multiple bowls around, right? So on top of not having your food touch, it's like, okay, well, like you said, I have my salad here and maybe I have a little bit of rice or something here, and it's just nice to just pull them out and just have like your spread, so to speak. The fact that it's elastic down, nice and secure, that's a big win in my book.
And traveling too, like if you're gonna take your lunch with you in the car, I don't know if you've ever had anything spill in your car, but it's not fun. So this is gonna keep it all nice and safe and tight, and it's not gonna go anywhere.
Been trying to get that chili smell out of my car forever.
You are gonna get a one-color imprint right on that lid. So it's gonna be there, it's gonna be loud. A nice thing about actually both of these items is that the minimum to order is only 25. So if you're looking for something for, not a huge group of people, they're both really great items that are going to get a lot of use and be just really helpful to the people that you're giving them to without having to purchase hundreds and hundreds. So,
hey, don't forget to tune in next time for more Fresh Finds.